लोकसभा चुनाव के साथ ओडिशा के विधानसभा चुनाव हुए थे। बाराबती कटक से इस बार की विजयी उम्मीदवार सोफिया फिरदौस ओडिशा की पहली मुस्लिम महिला विधायक हैं। जीत के बाद मीडिया से बात करते हुए सोफिया फिरदौस ने कहा कि मैं अपने शहर कटक की एक गौरवान्वित बेटी हूँ। कटक के लोगों ने अपनी बेटी पर भरोसा किया है और उन्होंने मुझे वोट दिया है। मैं अपने कटक के लिए काम करना चाहूंगी। हम अपने शहर में बहुत कुछ जोड़ने में सक्षम होंगे।
First of all, I would say that I am a proud daughter of my city, Cuttack, and born and brought up in Cuttack, studied in Cuttack. Also, I'm doing my business also in Cuttack. So, the people of Cuttack have trusted their daughter and they have voted for me. Also, if you see my profile, then I've always promoted my culture, my food, our textiles, our fabrics, our festivals, widely within the organization, within social groups, as well as widely in the social media space. As a proud Odia, I would say that it's my privilege to be speaking to you right now. And as a proud Katkiya, proud Odia and an Indian, coincidentally, yes, I'm a Muslim and it's the first Muslim, so history, it is, people are saying you have created history. I would like to work for my Cuttack so that Cuttack is able to make a lot of histories and Cuttack is able to get back on the map of India very soon, and we will able to add a lot of value to our city. Because as I'm a woman and if you know the former chief minister who was a lady called Nandini Satpathy ji, so she was also a daughter of Cuttack and she became the chief minister of Odisha. It was about 52 years back. So people started comparing and seeing ki another daughter is getting a chance to go forward. So they supported me and they have a lot of expectations, especially women. So also I would like to say ki as a lady, a lot of women have been able to be very vocal with me, have expressed the opinions to me. Like few people also told me in a very kidding way, like we need a female club as well, where we can sit, we can exchange ideas and we can interact with a lot of people. Similarly, if you spoke about safety and security, they need more camera system, they need more security of women. If you spoke about education of a girl child, how we can ensure that good teachers are there in all the schools across the city. If you also spoke that English should also be an important subject in those schools and we should focus more that our children can learn English language as well apart from learning Odia language. Similarly, a lot of women told that they're not getting job opportunities. They wanted some skilling. As you know, the World Skills Center has been set up in Bhubaneswar. With the help of other female in the assembly, with the help of all the legislatures who will be there in the assembly, we will ensure to pass rules and frame laws which can be very beneficial for women empowerment in totality, which will focus on education of women, which will focus on skilling of girl child, skilling of the youth, so that they can get good job opportunities. Also will attract a lot of companies to Cuttack and other places where there are ample of space available so that the youth can get employment there.
मतदान हुआ खत्म, अब बारी है परिणाम की। एग्जिट पोल में दिख रही है मोदी सेना भारी, मगर विपक्ष ने भी किया है अपनी जीत का दावा। देखें लोकसभा चुनाव पर सबसे बड़ी कवरेज सिर्फ खबरनामा पर 4 जून सुबह 8 बजे से।